How you doing, guys? Professor EDC with another first impressions video, and we have, yep, Ray Laconico, Artisan Cutlery, the Centauri. And let me just start by saying I really liked that he named the coming reviews or first impressions um, after constellations. I just love those details, as I may say, from the design, the wee Hecate, the goddess of witchcraft. I love mythology, and of course mythology is related to constellations. And well, anyways, you guys are not here for that, are you? Maybe you are. I've been getting a lot of comments about that. But let's continue with the first impressions. Okay, so it's Ray Laconico. The steel on this is S35VN. The name is the Centauri. It's this Damascus black and orange, which it looks absolutely gorgeous. A steel ring around the pivot, and wait for it. Oh yeah, titanium pocket clip, anodized blue, which it just, not only that, but that blue turns to purple depending on the angle of the light. As you there, can you see that? Oh man, it's just, man, details like that win me over. It's a top flipper or front flipper, and the liners are nested in the G10. And let's talk about the, can you see it there? Yeah. Let's talk about the length of the knife. It's 8 full length, 805. Blade length is at 3.46 inches. The cutting edge 330. Closed, it's a liner lock, and closed is at 459 inches. Portability. How does it carry in the pocket? Fantastic. Just, man, this is this is one of the coolest clips from any production company I've seen. Really, I at least for me, I really love this clip. Um, so let's go to measure, not millimeters. Let's go to inches. Let's go to 0. There we go. The thickness, stock thickness, is at 120 thousandths. Behind the edge, this does seem a bit thinner than 20. It's less than 20 thousandths. 10 thousandths? Is that right? Oh man, if that's right, let me see. Well, it does feel thinner than the PM2, yeah. Anyways, well, that's what the this thing says. Just forgot the name. It's a flat grind with this false edge or swedge, right? And that creates this diamond-like shape, that this rhombus that I enjoy so much. Not so distinguishable, but it's there. It's there. The pivot runs on ceramic bearings, and the weight. Let's check out the weight. Ounces. There we go. 4.18 ounces. So, are there any setbacks on this? I've always liked Laconico's models since. Let me see. What was the first one that I saw? I think it was the Gemini with Kaiser, and it's just he has this clean style and very simplistic language that I enjoy pretty much. Unfortunately, I don't like the smaller knives. They are great designs, but again, I prefer larger size like this one. This one is just fantastic, and the action on it is great. Ergos are great, and they're just looking for anything on it. Well, even the lanyard, what do you call that, space, because it's not really a hole, but that lanyard gap, it's fantastic. It's I really enjoy when they do something like that. But the grind, that's the only hiccup that I have. The grind, as you may be able to see, where's my red pencil? Because I would not be a professor if I didn't have a red pencil, right? Can you see the grind? It's not perfectly symmetrical. It's just a tiny nothing, but it's there. I just have to notice all those things, whether they're positive, negative, or even neutral. So this is the Artisan Cutlery Centauri by Ray Laconico. And before we go, we all love our comparisons, don't we? So let's just do some comparisons so you can get an idea. Number 2 pencil, the Sharpie, the quarter, the 2 euros for our friends in Europe. The Victorinox Huntsman and the Buck 110. So you see, it's a pretty good size. The 110 is a pretty big, full-size knife. Not that this one, the Centauri, isn't, but we'll see with the rats, the Rat 2, the Rat 1. So you can see there, it's just really a good size. I really enjoyed this model. The upper view, and with this Damascus and the details, the blue accents, the ergos on this thing. Check out that curvature from tip to toe. It's just such a comfortable knife to use. Bug out, PM2, and it's, as you can see, it's just a couple of millimeters shorter than the PM2. And well, just because I have it here for first impressions as well, and I have, give me a second, I have another one, another Laconico. Here's the Sirius, another constellation, or Galaxy. Sirius, what was Sirius? don't remember. But, and here is the Vanguard, Kaiser Vanguard Gemini constellation. I really like that detail about constellations and galaxies, and just naming the knives after them. So you can see here, and here we have a great example of the Laconico language style. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the Centauri by Ray Laconico. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Professor EDC out.